Today we're going to discuss unboxing the CHOTOVELLI Vintage Pilot 7200 TAC-1 timepiece. Up on the screen you're going to see from time to time information that came straight from the CHOTOVELLI website, including the various specifications for the timepiece. And credit to, of course, CHOTOVELLI, because I took it right off of their website. You can find these timepieces for a little bit cheaper if you search around. I acquired mine for almost half the price. So if you look around, you can find them for cheaper or get them right from CHOTOVELLI. So this is Atlantic Ocean Watch as we unbox this CHOTOVELLI Vintage Pilot's watch. And this is just some of the paperwork and information that comes in the very nice box, including your warranty information, and also some information about your timepiece. This is Atlantic Ocean Watch, by the way, on YouTube, where we talk about affordable timepieces that I acquire from a variety of sources. We try not to get too expensive on this channel, but we talk about all kinds of affordable timepieces, from very cheap ones, and I mean cheap ones, to nicer ones like this CHOTOVELLI we're reviewing or unboxing today. This timepiece does come with an extra strap, which is very nice, because a lot of watches that I currently own, some of the straps are starting to get old and fall apart, so it's nice to know I can replace it with the strap once this original strap starts to fail on the timepiece, if it fails, or I can simply switch it out. So that's very nice to know. Also, this CHOTOVELLI, my second CHOTOVELLI that I now own, the box came to me in much better condition as the first one. It's a much nicer box. This timepiece, look at it. It's just a beautiful, but not too complicated, basic kind of pilot's watch, or vintage pilot's watch, and it has a B-type dial. Look at the numbers up there. It's a B-type dial as opposed to your normal watch that has an A-type dial. Very simple, very functional, very easy to use. If you're new to the channel, how about subscribing to Atlantic Ocean Watch? Please help my channel grow and appreciate it. So hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and hit the notification bell so you know when I upload new videos to Atlantic Ocean Watch here on YouTube. I'm also on TikTok, where I do some watch and non-watch related things, and of course I'm also on Instagram, where I also do some watch and non-watch related things. And of course on this channel we do talk about things other than watches, but we're primarily a watch channel here on Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube. This is a simple crown, nothing too fancy. You can see different colors you can get the timepiece in. So if you don't like the particular style that I have, there are different options for this timepiece that are available from CHOTOVELLI or from Amazon or from other sources. But you have to look to get the best price. Again, the timepiece is very easy to read. It's a B dial, which I don't mind at all. you'll get used to it pretty quickly, I believe, especially if you're someone who's into aviations or anything technical. But here's another CHOTOVELLI I've talked about before on my channel. Go into the video section of Atlantic Ocean Watch and you can find a review of the CHOTOVELLI timepiece that I'm comparing this vintage watch to. The yellow-faced one, you'll find that video, a couple videos about that in my video files on here on Atlantic Ocean Watch. Go check that video out. But yeah, very nice timepiece. The leather is very comfortable, was very comfortable on my wrist, as you'll see in a minute. And let's see how it does once the lights go out. The timepiece, as you can see, has outstanding nighttime lume, possibly the very best lume of any timepiece that I've ever unboxed. Stay tuned to Atlantic Ocean Watch in the near future. Since the time of recording and editing this video, I've actually owned this timepiece for a little while now, so I'll have a long-term review coming up soon for you guys to get some more of my long-term experience with this timepiece. Let's put her on my wrist. Again, I have very small wrist, but it was no problem putting a timepiece on my wrist. No problem at all. Has a very basic type of buckle, of course, with CHOTOVELLI engraved into the clasp or the buckle of the timepiece. Again, just like the previous CHOTOVELLI, this one here, unboxing, I'm very, very, very pleased with the timepiece. Remember, CHOTOVELLI makes a bunch of Flieger aviation watches. They also make some naval watches as well. And I hope to, as time and money permits, acquire some more of these timepieces and other Flieger timepieces from other manufacturers here on Atlantic Ocean Watch. If you like what you see, please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Atlantic Ocean Watch on YouTube, Atlantic Ocean Watch on TikTok, and Atlantic Ocean Watch on Instagram. I would appreciate it.